assim, ó, volume, mas tem água.
Oh, and when the storms come flooding through the hall, rising to the landing, tearing pictures from the walls. Currents pull us underneath, that bright tide ripped us out into a tangled coral reef where we could never drown.
Olha só, que lugar maravilhoso. Fechou. Olha, a câmera tem vida lá, ó.
I've tried to tell myself it's always been.
Ah, Gi! Estraga a foto! Porra, Gi!
On a warm summer's evening, on a train bound for nowhere, met up with a gambler. We were both too tired to sleep, so we took turns of staring.
Aqui,
Window
como que é?
at the dark.
Foi maravilhoso.
Ah,
Quem me determinou?
Lu, seu depoimento?
Ai, maravilhoso. Só alegria.
Out of reading people's faces and knowing what the cards were by the way they held their eyes. So if you don't mind my saying, I can see you're out of aces. For a taste of your whiskey, I'll give you some advice. So I handed him my bottle and he drank down my last swallow. Then he bummed a cigarette. You got to know when to hold, know when to fold up, know when to walk away, know when to run. You never count your money. Sitting at the table, there'll be time enough for counting when the dealing's done. Every gambler knows that the secret to surviving is knowing what to throw away, knowing what to keep. 'Cause every hand's a winner and every hand's a loser, and the best that you can hope for is to die in your sleep. And when he finished speaking, he turned back toward the window